welcome.
Hey everyone, welcome to Milan's channel. Today he's gonna be going to his favorite store.
More.
He is extremely excited. He loves getting in the car on his own. He's also very big on people watching, one of his favorite things to do. Here he's trying to decide what snack he wants. Picked Fritos. Now that he has his snack ready, he wants to go get.
DVD.
He is ready to check out with his snack and DVD. He did a wonderful job opening his bag on his own. He was extremely excited. He couldn't contain his excitement no more, had to get up and dance. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget.
Comment. Go, like, follow.